Hey friends, welcome back to the channel, and if it's your first time here, I'm really happy to have you with us. Today, I'm going to show you a super simple way to adapt your resume to fit any job you're applying for, using Canva Docs and its awesome AI tool, Magic Write. Let's get right into it. So, imagine you're a marketing student. Like our example candidate today, Emily Carter. She's fresh out of college and aiming to land a media buyer role in Los Angeles. Now, instead of rewriting her entire CV from scratch to match the job, we're going to let Canva's Magic Write do the heavy lifting. Here's how. From the Canva dashboard, open the CV you want to edit, in our case, Emily's. Then, highlight the whole document and click on the magic pen. Choose Custom Prompt, and in the prompt box that appears, paste a detailed instruction that tells Magic Write how to tailor the CV for a media buyer role. Don't worry, I've written a solid prompt for this, and you'll find it down in the description box. Just copy it, tweak it if you need to, and paste it in. Now hit Generate and give it a few seconds. Boom. Just like that, Magic Write rewrites the entire resume, adapting every section, from the summary to the skills, to better fit the media buyer job. It highlights the right strengths, adds relevant tools and experiences, and gives you a much better shot at catching a recruiter's attention, all in under 2 minutes. Seriously, it's that easy. So if this helped you out, let me know in the comments. And if there's a specific Canva tool or feature you'd love to explore next, I'd love to hear about it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a helpful tutorial like this one. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.